Back to Phone Time. I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing when you bring slime to school. I'm really excited to do this video. And yes, so make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment down below, and make sure to press the bell for you to be notified every time I post. Also, this is a total skit, you guys, and I'm sorry if you're gonna hear and see soccer in the background. It's soccer season, so yeah, let's just get right onto this video. School again? Oh my goodness, the weekend went by so fast. I mean, I remember yesterday that it was Friday. Well, can't stop it. Only if I could stop the time, but that's kind of impossible. Oh well, let's see. Better pass my homework, or if not, that'll be really bad. Let's see. Good. I have my homework ready. Oh, it's upside down. Here's my homework. Let's just check it really quick. Great, I have everything ready. I had to write each word that starts. I had to write a word that starts with each letter of the alphabet. It was pretty easy. Okay, here's my water. Now let's see what my mom packs me for snack. Yay, pretzels! I love pretzels! I wish I could eat one right now, but I can't. Okay. I think that's all. Yep, that's all. Okay. Better get a pen. Miss Coco? Yes, darling. Can I get a pen, please? I didn't bring one. I forgot it. Okay, here you go. Thank you. Yay, now I have a pen. Well, now I just have to wait here till everyone comes into class. Hey, didn't I go to my grandma's house on Sunday? I think I forgot to bring to put my slimes back in my house because... Oh, yay! Because I used this bag. I brought a slime. Yay! Let me just play with it. Whoa. Better be careful, then Miss Coco would see it. God, it's so clicky. It's a clear purple slime. Let me show you. It's clear. I love it so much. Hey, do you have slime? No, I don't. Victoria, I do not have slime. Yes, you do. I saw it. I'm not dumb. I wasn't born yesterday. Victoria, please don't tell the teacher. Please, just don't tell Miss Coco. I'll die. I'll give you anything, I promise. Well, then you have to give me the slime to play with, and then I won't tell on you. Ugh. Fine. Here you go. Hopefully I brought another slime. Here, let me see. Yes, I brought another clear slime. Only this one's not that well, but I mean, that's something at least. Hey, yo, is that slime that you have? No, I don't. I don't have any slime. Jordan, please don't tell the teacher that I brought slime to school. Please, Victoria already saw me. Well, I won't tell him if you just give me the slime. Fine. Now I don't have any slimes to play with. Oh, thanks. Yay, now I have slime. And it's my favorite color, too. This is so much fun to play with. Oh, yeah. It's so rippy. This is so cool to play with. Oh, my God. This is so done. Oh, it's like an earthquake. Hey, Victoria, be careful with my slime. Don't rip it, please. And shh, remember, Miss Coco can't see it. Victoria, please be careful with my slime. It's my favorite one. Hey, yo, thanks, bro. It's so much fun. So stretchy. Thanks. Mama? Ya está poniendo comida. Oh, this is so much fun to play with. So sticky. Jordan, be careful with my slime, remember. You have to be really careful with it, or then Miss Coco will see it and she'll get caught, or you'll get caught. I'm gonna need my water, or drink it. Yeesh, Cammy, you have to chill, girl. I mean, you have a bunch of these, don't you? Don't you, girl? I mean, you have a bunch of these. We only have one. Well, I guess that is true. I do have a bunch of home, but still, I mean, those are really expensive to get. Okay, I mean, they're not gonna have the supplies forever. Hey, children, what is that? Hey, children, what is that? Nothing. I messed up. Hey, children, what is that? Nothing. Hey, Tammy, what is that? Slime. What in the world is slime? It's a type of goo that's stretchy. Here, look. Well, please put that away. It is not allowed in school hours. Okay, please put that in your backpack, please. And you will get it at the end of the day. Whatever you say, Miss Coco. Get rid of the slime school. That was a bad morning. The next day, school again. Yes. Yesterday was so bad. I mean, I got in trouble just because I had to give them my slimes. Well, now I know better that today I'm not, obviously. But I still brought my 2 slimes. And yesterday we didn't even have homework. How great was that? Okay. Well, let's see if my mom's doing the exact same thing. Okay, I have my water. Let's see. Yay, pretzels again! Okay, well, better put this away. I don't know if anyone is looking. And Miss Coco's not looking either. Still have these slimes that I have. I have this purple one. I'm gonna play with this one while we wait to do our next assignment. So stretchy and clear. I love this one. Hey guys, did you bring slime again? Can I have some funny, please? Victoria, no way. Last time you told on me, so I'm obviously not gonna give you this. Please, I'll do anything at all. Fine. But if you get the slime and you get in trouble, you're gonna take the blame, okay? Okay, whatever you want. There you go. I'm gonna play with the other one now. Better hide this from Jordan. There you go. Thank you. This is so fun to play with. I totally remember when I was playing with this. Well, I am going to take the blame, but I'll just hide it. So fun to play with! No one's going to take this one. Hey, yo, Gummy, is that slime? Can I have some? Pretty please. Jordan, come on. I already gave you it. Well, I don't care. Can I still have it? Fine, but if you get in trouble, you're taking the blame. I messed up again, but I'm super duper sorry. That was supposed to be Cammy. Yeah. Thanks, Cammy. You're the biggest. Well, I ain't gonna get Tattletales. I mean, I am gonna get Tattletales, but whatever. I'll just hide it. So much fun to play with. Oh great, now I just have nothing to play with. I get I just eat my snack. Oh good. Hey Victoria, Jordan, what is that? Wait a second, is that slime? Give it to me right now. Give me it right now. No, this is not mine. It's not mine. Oh yeah, yes it is because I didn't bring slime to school again, Miss Coco. Give it to me. Fine, here you go, Miss Coco. And Jordan, you too. Okay, here you go, Miss Coco. Thank you. Now give me that. Principal's office right now, young boys and girls. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments down below, let me know, have you ever bought Sunday school? And have you ever caught it? And yes, I do have Victoria's shirt, Miss Coco's shirt, and Cammy's shirt. And then here is Jordan's shirt. So yeah, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments down below, let me know, have you ever got caught in school? Bye, guys. Peace.